Now we will consider the second question. It states that let xn be the sequence +1, -1, +2, -2, +3, -3, so on and so forth. If yn equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 etc. plus xn divided by n for every n belonging to n natural number, then the sequence yn is four choices are given as usual: A monotone, B not bounded, C bounded but not convergent, D convergent. Now here, if you look carefully about the choices given here, the last two choices, you can see here, it is sufficient to check whether it is a not convergent or deconvergent. If you check these two, the sequence is convergent or not convergent, then the choice A and choice B automatically will be answered. Now the question is here, the solution for this. Xn is given as plus root 1 minus root 1, plus root 2 minus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 4 minus root 4 and plus root 5 minus root 5, so on so forth. You can write down. Now here I would like to write down this is x1, this is x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10, so on and so forth. Now y1 is equal to x1 by 1, that is root 1 by 1. Y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. X1 is 1 and x2 is a minus 1, that is 0. 0 by 2 means 0 only. Y3 equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 only. Now observe, this is going to be 0. Only x3 by 3 is left out. Our x3 is root 2 by 3. And y4 is similarly x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4, that is going to be 0. And y5 equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by 5. Now this is going to be, this portion is going to be 0 because of alternative sign and with the same value, and x5 is root 3 by 5, so on and so forth. And similarly y4 is y6 is 0 and y7 is equal to y7 is root 4 by 7, so on and so forth. And now yn equal to, therefore yn equal to 0 if n is even. You can observe here. And yn equal to 1 by n into root of n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we can see the limit of yn here. Now in this case, if yn equal to 0, then limit is yn as n tends to infinity is also 0. If yn is odd, yn equal to 1 by n into root of n plus 1 by 2, then here also limit of yn as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of 1 by n into root of n plus 1 by 2 as n tends to infinity is equal to 0, because limit of 1 by n as n tends to infinity equal to 0, the whole thing is getting 0. This implies in either case limit of yn as n tends to 0 is equal to 0, and hence yn is convergent sequence. And therefore the last option is true, and hence this is not true, this is not true, this is not true. And this is the solution for this example.